Can Elon Musk's Doge team legally spy on federal employees using AI? Well, the surprising answer is yes, usually, but there are critical limits you should know. Hi, I'm Shaun, an attorney for federal employees, and recent reports say Doge uses AI tools like Musk's Grok chatbot to scan federal workers' messages for criticism of Trump or Musk. But here's the truth. Employers, including the federal government, can legally monitor communications on government platforms like Microsoft Teams or your agency's email. Employees typically have no expectation of privacy on government devices or software. However, there are times when monitoring might cross legal lines. For instance, monitoring to target union activity, whistleblower disclosures, or discrimination based on race, gender, age, or one of the protected characteristics is unlawful. And disappearing message apps like Signal to hide official records can violate federal record-keeping laws. If you're worried about your rights at work, carefully document any unusual targeting or retaliation. You might need it for later, right? I've successfully represented hundreds of federal workers facing these exact issues, and when your gut starts to tell you something is wrong, it might be safer to start documenting, the interactions in case you need to remember them later. Again, so be cautious about anything that you say using your government equipment or on government systems that can be monitored. But just because it can be monitored doesn't mean that monitoring might not, in some instances, be illegal. I hope you found this helpful. If you're interested in getting on our newsletter to make sure you don't miss messages like this based on the algorithm, please feel free to go to the first link in my bio. Otherwise, to make it simpler for people, you can also go to fedlegalhelp.com/newsletter. Hope you found this helpful. Hope your day goes well, and take care.